In this Crochet Basics tutorial, I will show you how to crochet sharp 3-chain picot. Before, I made a row of double crochet stitches. Begin the next one. For this, chain 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, and double crochet into the second stitch of the previous row. Skip the previous stitch and double crochet into the second stitch. I will be making a picot on the top of this double crochet. Chain 3 for the picot. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook by making a slip stitch. Then chain. Insert the hook into the 2 loops of the double crochet, take the working yarn, pull it through by making a slip stitch. The sharp picot is made. Let's make some doubles. Make the first double crochet through the next stitch. Make the second double crochet through the next stitch. And the third one through the next stitch. And I will be making a picot on the top of this double crochet. Chain 3 for the picot. 1, 2, 3. Then insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook by making a slip stitch. Then make a chain. Insert the hook into 2 loops of the double crochet. Now take the working yarn, pull it through by working a slip stitch. The second sharp picot is ready. Let's stop and look at work. We have done 2 sharp picots. With this Crochet Basics tutorial, we have learned how to crochet sharp 3-chain picots. This is front side and it is back. For more video tutorials, please visit our website sharoneknitting.com. Thanks for watching. We are pleased to inform you that we have opened membership service on our website. Membership includes an access to the video tutorials which are published every week. Only at sharoneknitting.com and only for members. For more detailed information, please visit the membership page at sharoneknitting.com. Thanks for watching.